We need to rethink our marketing plan. This is the worst time of years for sales. I will set up the time for the next meeting. Mr. Jones wishes she could be here, but her flight was delayed. Approval for the financial plan must be gained by this Friday. The development team has asked for a 2-week delay of the original project completion date. If we want to be successful in this market, we need to develop a new business model. Sales, sales last month were much higher than expected. This is the last version of the plan. These are the minutes of the last committee's meeting. Sales have risen faster than expected over the last quarter. I will give you a summary of the figures at the end of my talk. Mr. Bond apologized for the not being able to attend the reception. Permission to develop the land must be gained in advance. Dr. Clark would like you to phone her back before 3 o'clock. The design should follow the guidelines set out in the tender specification.